This time I'm going to show you how to use a needle threader to thread your needle. Just need to get the ends of your thread together and then get the needle threader, and at one end you'll see that there's a sort of diamond shaped piece of wire. You need to pass that through the eye of your needle. Once you've got that through, you should be able to hang your needle off of the needle threader, and then you're ready to thread your ends of your thread through that diamond shaped piece of wire. Just make sure you pull it through enough so that it's not going to fall back out again. And once you've done that, just take the needle threader and pull it back through the eye of the needle. Just gently pull it through until the ends of your thread have also come back through the eye of the needle. Once you've done that, you should be able to remove your needle threader and have your needle threaded. And then I usually just pull down the ends of your thread about halfway down the rest of your length, and to make sure that it won't come unthreaded again. And now you're set for sewing.